music production doesn't live in giant studios anymore. Now it fits inside a backpack. From portable DJ controllers to powerful beat machines and compact music production gear, creators are building full tracks anywhere inspiration hits. Cafes, hotel rooms, airports, late-night desk setups, even on the move. These portable music studios are changing how DJs, producers, and beatmakers create music in 2026. Welcome to Tech Trek Net. I'm your host. Now watch this. Because these next-level portable music creator setups might completely change your world.
That's where the Numark DJ2 Go 2 Touch shines. It's not just small, it's shockingly capable. About the size of your smartphone, this compact 2-deck USB controller includes a mixer, audio interface, and even touch-sensitive jog wheels. Plug it into Serato DJ Lite or Pro, and you're ready to mix, scratch, and cue tracks anywhere. I once saw a DJ spin a full beach party set using just this and a Bluetooth speaker. No joke. If portability is your game, this little guy is a serious player. Next, we have the Pioneer DJ AlphaTheta DDJ X2, a compact 2-channel controller that bridges the gap between beginners and intermediate DJs beautifully. With full compatibility for both Serato DJ and Rekordbox, plus effects like Merge FX and Smart CFX, the FLX2 lets you remix on the fly and create crowd-hyping transitions even if you're new to mixing. The jog wheels are large and responsive, and the build quality feels like you're using a scaled-down club setup. I remember seeing a street performer in Tokyo rock the FLX2 while juggling transitions and taking song requests on the spot. It was compact chaos in the best way. Now let's talk about the Hercules DJControl Starlight, a perfect starting point for new DJs or anyone looking for a fun, low-cost controller. It's incredibly light, fits in one hand, and has this cool RGB lighting that syncs to your music. But it's not just for show. It includes essential DJ features like jog wheels, filter knobs, EQ, and headphone cueing, all powered by Serato DJ Lite. A friend of mine actually started with the Starlight in his dorm room. Within weeks he was mixing for college parties and streaming live on Instagram. The learning curve is smooth and the fun factor is sky high. Moving on, we've got the Reloop Buddy, which is one of the most underrated compact controllers out there. It's tailor-made for DJs using Algorithm DJ Pro, especially on iPads and iPhones. What sets this apart is its neural mix integration, which lets you isolate vocals, drums, or melodies live while DJing. With FX paddles, 8 performance pads per deck, and lightning-fast looping features, the Buddy gives you near-pro functionality in a slim profile. I once met a DJ using it on a train commute, plugged into an iPad, headphones on, running a full practice session while traveling. It's that mobile and that powerful. Now for something completely different, the Denon DJ Prime Go Plus. This isn't just a controller, it's a standalone DJ system with a built-in rechargeable battery and a 7-inch touchscreen that runs on Engine DJ OS. You don't even need a laptop, just load your tracks on a USB or stream from Wi-Fi using Tidal, SoundCloud, or Beatport. It's made for pros who want to cut the cord and still perform anywhere. I once saw a wedding DJ finish a set with this after the power cut out. No laptop, no outlet, just the Prime Go Plus and a powered speaker. Talk about saving the day. And finally, we have the Pioneer DJ DDJ Rev 1, a battle-style controller that's perfect for open-format DJs and scratch enthusiasts. Its design mimics a classic turntable setup with large jog wheels, long pitch sliders, and vertically aligned pads. It's perfect for learning scratch techniques or rocking a high-energy hip-hop set, and it works seamlessly with Serato DJ Lite. A DJ I met at a local competition used this controller to land perfect cue point transitions and crowd-hyping mic effects, all in a compact layout.
The Synido TempoPAD Z-1, a MIDI pad controller designed to make music production feel visual, intuitive, and fun. especially if you're just getting started or want something portable that doesn't overwhelm you. Because the moment you tap into those 64 velocity-sensitive RGB pads, you're not just hearing rhythm, you're seeing it, with bright, customizable lighting that reacts to your beats and helps you understand timing, dynamics, and groove in real time. And what really makes the TempoPAD Z-1 shine is Easy Mode, which strips away complexity and lets beginners focus on creativity, while features like Fixed Chord Mode let you play rich chords across 4 octaves with one finger, making songwriting faster and more musical even if you don't play keys. And since it connects seamlessly to iPhone, iPad, Mac, or any DAW via USB or Lightning, it becomes a grab-and-go beat-making companion that's perfect for casual musicians, finger drummers, or anyone building their first mobile studio. Next up is the Novation Launchpad Mini MK3, and this one is all about performance energy. Because if you've ever watched a live electronic set and wondered how artists launch clips so smoothly, this is the controller behind that magic. With 64 RGB pads that mirror your Ableton Live session, so you always know exactly what's playing, what's coming next, and what you're about to trigger. And the deep Ableton integration means you can launch clips, trigger scenes, mute, solo, and stop tracks without touching your mouse, turning your laptop into an instrument instead of a screen, while the slim, lightweight, bus-powered design makes it perfect for travel, dorm rooms, or tight desks. And with Novation components letting you customize MIDI mappings, the Launchpad Mini MK3 becomes more than a clip launcher. It's a creative control surface for producers who want speed, clarity, and live performance confidence. Then we move into serious standalone territory with the Akai MPC Live III. And this is where portable music production goes fully professional. Because this isn't just a controller. It's a complete music production center with its own brain, screen, speakers, battery, and storage, letting you produce, record, sequence, sample, and perform without a computer. Powered by an 8-core processor and 8 GB of RAM running the MPC3 OS, so you can stack plugins, build full arrangements, and manipulate samples in real time without slowing down. While the new MPC pads bring expressive 3-dimensional sensing that responds to velocity, pressure, and movement, making finger drumming feel alive, and with built-in stereo speakers, an onboard mic, massive internal storage, and deep connectivity, including USB-C, MIDI, CV gate, and audio interface functionality. The MPC Live III becomes the center of your studio, whether you're at home, on stage, or creating on the road. And real quick, if you're finding value so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech reviews. Now let's shift gears into something more experimental with the Teenage Engineering OP1 Field, a device that doesn't just make music, but changes how you think about making it, because this ultra-portable synth, sampler, drum machine, and sequencer encourages creativity through limitation, offering 12 unique synth engines, a sampler, quirky but powerful effects, and a digital tape system that lets you record over 160 minutes across 4 virtual tapes, each with its own character. And when you combine that with the built-in speaker, microphone, velocity-sensitive keyboard, rechargeable battery, and insanely lightweight design, the OP1 Field becomes a true portable studio for sound designers, musicians, and artists who want something inspiring rather than conventional, especially when paired with other Teenage Engineering Field System devices for a fully mobile, creative ecosystem. Then there's the Roland AIRA Compact P6 Creative Sampler, which proves that big ideas can come from small devices. Because this pocket-sized sampler packs Roland's legendary sampling tech into a form factor you can literally take anywhere. It features a built-in mic for instant sound capture, chop and step sampling for slicing audio into playable pieces, resampling for sound design, chromatic playback across the keyboard, and dedicated filters, envelopes, and hands-on effects that let you sculpt sounds quickly, making the P6 perfect for producers who want fast, creative sampling without carrying full-size gear. Finally, we've got the Teenage Engineering PO28 Robot, a tiny but mighty pocket operator that delivers gritty 8-bit synth sounds, melodic sequences, and punch-in effects with a playful personality. It offers live play, a built-in sequencer, parameter locks, glide control, and pattern chaining that lets you build full tracks on something that runs on AAA batteries and fits in your pocket, making it ideal for sketching ideas, jamming on the go, or adding lo-fi character to a larger setup.
Let's break it all down so you can find your perfect match. Starting with the Numark DJ2 Go-To Touch. This controller proves you don't need a big rig to drop serious mixes. Its touch-sensitive jog wheels and built-in audio interface make it ideal for traveling DJs or those just starting out. And it fits in literally any bag, making it the most portable option on this list. Then there's the Pioneer DJ X2, which hits the sweet spot between portability and performance. The built-in Merge FX and Smart CFX effects give you creative flexibility without needing external gear. Whether you're spinning house, pop, or hip-hop, this controller helps you elevate your set with ease. Moving to the Hercules Starlight. This one's all about getting you into the DJ world without spending a fortune. The backlit body, responsive jog wheels, and simple Serato integration make it an exciting gateway for new DJs. It may be small, but it's packed with learning potential. The Reloop Buddy stands out for iOS DJs and mobile mixers who want full control in a slim design. Its neural mix and FX features are surprisingly powerful, especially for remixing vocals and beats live. If you're using DJ Pro on your phone or tablet, this might be the best companion controller available today. The Denon DJ Prime Go Plus takes the crown for being the most professional and most independent. With a battery that lasts over 4 hours, full streaming support, and onboard analysis, it's the Go Anywhere system that turns any location into a DJ booth. If you're serious about performance and hate being tied to a laptop, this is your dream setup. And finally, the Pioneer DDJ Rev 1 is perfect for scratch DJs, battle mixers, and those wanting a more turntablist style layout. It's super fun to use, incredibly responsive, and feels like you're working with a full setup, just smaller. So whether you're just getting started or looking to upgrade
Z-1, which stands out as a beginner-friendly MIDI pad controller that makes beat-making visual, approachable, and expressive through RGB pads, easy mode, chord features, and wide DAW compatibility, making it ideal for new producers and casual musicians. The Novation Launchpad Mini MK3 remains the go-to grid controller for Ableton Live performers who want fast clip launching, visual feedback, and a compact travel-ready design that thrives on stage or in the studio. The Akai MPC Live III dominates as the most powerful option here, delivering true standalone music production with professional sequencing, expressive pads, built-in speakers, massive connectivity, and enough power to replace a laptop-based setup entirely. The Teenage Engineering OP1 Field offers a completely different creative mindset, blending synths, sampling, tape recording, and effects into an ultra-portable instrument that rewards experimentation and unique sound design. The Roland AIRA Compact P6 gives mobile producers a serious sampling engine in a pocket-sized format, perfect for capturing, chopping, and reshaping sounds wherever inspiration strikes. And finally, the PO28 Robot proves that creativity doesn't need complexity, offering playful, gritty synth sounds and sequencing in a device so small, you'll forget it's there until it sparks your next idea. And that's it for today's roundup. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description. See you next time on Tech Trek Net.